If you're looking for plumbing help, you probably have a lot of questions such as, is the plumber I hire insured? Do they know how to work on my particular equipment, or do they have 24-hour emergency service? Well, we've been in the plumbing business for years, and we've handled every plumbing situation that you can imagine. Even if you have custom plumbing fixtures or you have a very old home. Even if you have encountered bad plumbers in the past, we can help. Our certified plumbers are trained and ready to help you with your plumbing problems 24 hours a day. Give us a call and we'll be glad to assist you right away.